Hey guys, you're not going to believe this. This chat app didn't exist yesterday. Last night, I challenged an AI to build a complete real time chat application. And this morning, this was waiting for me: user authentication, real time messaging, media sharing, and clean, premium interface. And the crazy part, I didn't write a single line of code. Most beginners start with a web development, and honestly, it makes sense. Web technologies are relatively easy to learn, and you can start building real projects pretty quickly. But app development is a completely different beast. For Android, you need Kotlin. For iPhone, you need Swift. Different languages, tools, and more things that can break. That's when I had an idea. What if I let AI build the whole thing? So I decided to put MiniMax Code to the test. Instead of switching between Claude Code for coding, ChatGPT for research, and other AI tools, I wanted to see if one workspace could do it all. If you want to try it yourself, there's a link below with 12% off. But more on that later. First, let's see if it can actually build this thing. So before throwing my actual idea at it, I did something most developers skip. I asked a MiniMax Code to help me write the perfect prompt first. I just told it that I want to build a real-time chat app with login and a clean UI, and asked it to figure out what details it needs, then write me a complete build prompt. It came back with a few smart questions, then handed me exactly what I needed. I copied that prompt and pasted it straight into agent team mode. And that's where things got interesting. I wanted a complete chat application, not just a UI, login, real-time messaging, a backend, everything. Normally, this would mean planning the project, building the front end, setting up the back end, and debugging for hours. Instead of tackling the whole project at once, Minimax automatically split it into smaller tasks. One agent focused on the application architecture, another started working on the front end, and other handled the back end and database. And while all of that was happening, a separate verifier agent was reviewing everything independently. So instead of one AI trying to do everything, it felt more like a small development team working together. To push things even further, I gave Minimax access to my computer. This is one of the features that surprised me the most. Instead of just giving you instructions, Minimax Code can actually interact with your computer. It can open applications, edit files, run commands, click through interfaces, and even troubleshoot problems when something goes wrong. It feels much closer to having an AI assistant that can actually use your computer. One thing I noticed during the build was how much emphasis Minimax puts on verification. Most AI coding tools generate code and then review their own work, kind of like a student grading their own exam. Minimax separates those steps. One agent creates the thing, and another agent verifies independently, and I actually got to test that during the project. After the first version was finished, I decided to test it. I deliberately broke the project by adding some random text into the main .dot file. Then I went back to Minimax and simply told it, "There's something wrong with the code, please check it and fix it." And I never told it what I changed. The agent started analyzing the project, traced the issue back to the main .dot file, removed the invalid code, and generated the fix. After reviewing the changes, it applied the fix, and the project was working again. That's when I started understanding why Agent Team Mode is so useful. And here's something worth mentioning. All of this, the planning, coding, testing, and reviewing, is running on Minimax's new M3 model. And it's not just about coding. With the same token plan, you also get access to Minimax's image, video, music, and speech generation models. So instead of paying for different AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude Code, Midjourney, and a few other tools separately, everything is bundled into a single subscription, starting at just $20 a month. I'll come back to that at the end, because the math genuinely surprised me. But first, let's see if our app actually works. So here is our chat app. First, I'm going to create a brand new account. And yeah, registration works perfectly without any issues. Now I'll log into another account on a second device so we can simulate two real users chatting with each other. Both users are now online, so let's send a message from this phone. And there it is. The message appears on the other device instantly, with no refresh and no delay. Exactly what you'd expect from a real-time chat application. Now let's see if media sharing works too. I'll try to send an image. And there we go. It shows up on the other device almost instantly. Let's also switch between dark mode and light mode. That works perfectly as well. And all the contacts are loading directly from Firebase without any issues. Now for one final test, I'll log out and then sign back in to make sure everything is still there. And yep, as you can see, all the conversations are still here, and every message is synced perfectly. So this is not just a nice looking interface, but it's a complete working chat application. Another thing I liked about MiniMax was the memory system. When I came back to make changes, I didn't have to explain the project again. MiniMax already remembered the project, the previous changes, and the overall context. That's thanks to its 3-layer memory system, which keeps track of the current task, the project, and your long-term preferences. And it's not limited to your desktop either. You can also interact with it through Telegram and schedule recurring tasks. For example, it could research AI tools every morning and send me the results automatically. That's when it starts feeling like a 24/7 AI workspace instead of another chatbot. And the chat app was just one task. The same token plan also gives me access to Minimax's image, video, music, and speech generation models. Inside MiniMax Code, I can also create and edit Word documents, Excel sheets, and PowerPoint presentations. It can review contracts, research companies, build dashboards, and automate all kinds of everyday tasks. It's not a chatbot. It's not just a coding tool. It's a full workspace that runs 24/7 and actually remembers you. So, coming back to that math I mentioned earlier, Minimax's token plan starts at $20 a month. One subscription covers coding, AI agents, images, video, music, and voice. Before this, I was paying for multiple AI tools to handle different tasks. Now everything lives in one workspace. If you use my link in the description, you'll get 12% off the token plan. And yeah, I get a little something back too, so it genuinely helps the channel if you check it out. Either way, go try building something while you sleep tonight. See you in the next one.